I chose aviation science and technology at Cascadia Tech. It was really just a great opportunity to meet new people and get myself into the career field.
It started with when my friend invited me to summer school. I got hooked on it, so I transferred schools and started going here.
A great benefit that Cascadia Tech Aviation Science gives you are college credits. These credits can go towards any type of college across the country for an aviation degree.
It also offers ground school and starts my learning capabilities, so I'm ready for college to get my degree in aviation.
What ground school is whatever you can learn about flying without actually stepping into the plane, like maps, how weather affects performance, actual maintenance, and how to actually prepare for a flight.
After I'm done with Cascadia Tech Academy, I was going to join the National Guard.
I'll be going to Utah Valley University and hopefully getting my private pilot's license and moving up to the airliners after I'm done there.